Have you ever thought of leveraging the telecom industry, like making free and endless calls without airtime credit? Well, Daypayz International Limited is the solution. Let me tell you why you need to join Daypayz. Every day, millions of people make use of airtime and data subscription. They also pay dstv, Gotv, StarTimes, and electric bill whether they like it or not. This is the reason why Daypayz will always be in business. Daypayz is a company that's leveraging on the telecommunication product. It is simpler, reliable and a sure way to wealth creation and financial freedom. Founded by a renowned life coach, author of 3 best-selling books, a motivational speaker, MLM expert, and an entrepreneur person of Ojobe C. Our mission, to render active, valuable and achievable affiliate programs that will give every single Daypayzer, that's a member, a rich reward and value for his or her participation. Our vision, to become a household name as a leading digital communication products distribution company and CUG community in MLM industry in Africa by 2025. Our products or our services. As a member you make per second income from our Btu services including airtime, data, TV subscription, utilities bills, bulk SMS, WAHEC and NECO, result checker pin, our Btu Services Bonus on airtime. Regardless of your packages, each member is entitled to the airtime bonus from 1st to 7th generations, and data bonus, from 1st to 5th generation. That is, you get 2% on every airtime you buy for yourself and for others. Also you get 1% on every data you purchase for yourself and for others. Direct referral bonus on airtime and data. When your first generation, that's, your direct downline, buys airtime or data, you as the upline receive 0.5% of their airtime or data purchase. Indirect referral bonus on airtime and data. For second generation or second downline, you received 0.2% from their airtime and data subscription. Also from third generation down to 7th generations you receive 0.1% from their airtime and data purchases. Btu Services Bonus on utilities bills. We do not add service charges like many companies out there. You can decide your own service charge by yourself while selling to a customer. Btu Services Bonus on TV subscription. As an upline, you receive 30 Naira for every cable subscription you purchase for yourself or others. You receive 20 Naira whenever your downline or indirect downline purchases for himself or herself, and for others. Our bonus on WAHEC and NECO results checker pin. Every year, millions of candidates register for WAHEC and NECO pin, either as May to June examinations or GCE. You can get the result checker pin on Daypayz and earn additional income. You earn more than 400 Naira on every pin for either WAHEC or NECO. That's not all. You can send bulk SMS, customized in any organization's name as low as 1 Naira per page. That is cool earning, isn't it? By becoming a partner you will have the opportunity to benefit from the above services. No experience is needed, no monthly fees, no targets, no renewal. You don't need to quit your job. You do this at your own pace in your spare time. How to become a partner. Our registration packages are very flexible and friendly to your pocket. When you register you will earn back instantly 10% of your registration fee immediately, regardless of your package, and you gain point for every registration and upgrading your team. This point are known as group point value, GPV, that accumulate to qualify you for more award incentives. Our membership packages and passive income. To register as a Daypayzite, you need 2,500 Naira. To register as a builder, you need 5,500 Naira. To register as a manager, you need 10,500 Naira. To register as a senior manager, you need 20,500 Naira. To register as a team leader, you need 50,500 Naira. Note, 500 Naira on the registration fee is for CUG, which enables free communication among all the registered members. Each registered member earns immediately 10% of the remaining registration fee, that is, 10% after the deduction of 500 Naira for CUG. For example, let's say you are registered as a Daypayzite with 2,500 Naira, automatically 500 Naira will be deducted for free calls. The balance, which is 2,000 Naira, is the actual registration fee, and 10% of the 2,000 Naira, which is 200 Naira, will be given to you as registration bonus. It will be available in your wallet. The same procedure is also applicable to other membership packages. That is, the sign-up bonus for builder is 500 Naira, for manager 1,000 Naira, for senior manager 2,000 Naira and team leader 5,000 Naira. Are you already a member at a particular level and you are wondering how you can move up the ladder? Do not worry at all. This is very easy. Just upgrade by paying the upgrading fee. To upgrade from Daypayz to Builder, the upgrading fee is 3,000 Naira. To upgrade from Builder to Manager, the upgrading fee is 5,000 Naira. To upgrade from Manager to Senior Manager, the upgrading fee is 10,000 Naira. To upgrade from Senior Manager to Team Leader, the upgrading fee is 30,000 Naira. Guess what? As you upgrade from one level to another, you get additional GPV with 10% of your upgrading fee. This is wonderful. That is not all. When any of your downline upgrades to a higher level, you earn what is called sponsor bonus in cash and in point value known as GPV. A matching bonus and group point value GPV. Each of the levels comes with group points value GPV, and once matched that determines how much you earn at your level. For the first level, Daypayz will have 10 GPV. For the second level, Builder will have 20 GPV. For the third level, Manager will have 40 GPV. For the fourth level, Senior Manager will have 80 GPV. For the fifth level, Team Leader will have 200 GPV. Watch the next video to learn about how matching bonus and GPV. Wait a minute, have I told you that you can earn a monthly income of 100,000 Naira? Yes, you can earn 100,000 Naira every month. All you need to do is to grow your GPV to 10,000, and you are qualified for 100,000 Naira every month. Now, that's what I call stream of income. When you hit 40,000 GPV, you are entitled to vacation fund of 500,000 Naira. When you hit 150,000 GPV, you are qualified for a car award to the tune of 2.5 million Naira. Now, wait for this, when you hit 600,000 PV you are entitled to house fund worth 5 million Naira. Leadership reward. 2% from every registration and 0.2% of every recharge is set aside in the leadership bonus pool to be shared among leaders every month. These leaders are a committed people who do not only assist in developing the business but are also building their network seriously. They are more like stakeholders. The president decides who forms part of this group based on commitment and dedication. How to register. Contact a registered member to register you through his or her back office. Or get his or her referral ID and register and pay for yourself. Payments can be made with your ATM card, with wallet from existing member, or by depositing to company's account. Click on register and follow step to make your choice of payment. This is the real deal, you can never get it better elsewhere. Join now and earn big on Daypayz. Daypayz, get paid in return when you pay bills, buy data or airtime at discount rate.